let us welcome on stage Miss Angelina Peach M. Gao as she spearheads the Pledge of Loyalty. Let us give her a warm round of applause.
Graduates, please stand up, raise your right hand, and repeat after me. In grateful recognition
In grateful recognition
of the opportunities afforded me
of the opportunities afforded by me
by the Divine Grace School,
by the Divine Grace School,
I state your name, Angelina Peach Gao, hereby pledge
to
dedicate myself to continually live up to the ideals
to the ideals
for which she stands,
for which she stands,
namely truth, justice,
namely truth, justice,
love, and service to all.
love, and service to all.
I solemnly swear
I solemnly swear
to offer myself
to offer myself
for the success and progress
for the success and progress
of my family, my community,
of my family, my community,
my school, and my country.
my school, and my country.
I pledge to discipline my will
I pledge to discipline my will
so as to elevate and preserve
so as to elevate and preserve
high moral and spiritual life,
high moral and spiritual life,
making myself
making myself
a worthy child of Divine Grace School.
a worthy child of Divine Grace School.
May the divine graces of our Lord
May the divine graces of our Lord
be with us
be with us
now and forever.
now and forever.